In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Microsoft Copilot app keeps stopping error. If you can't use this app or it keeps just stopping when you're not even using it on your phone, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix this, you need to go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, go down to apps, and under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Copilot, then tap on it. From here, go to for stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and clear cache. Okay, finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and make sure that you're not using any VPN on your smartphone or any recently installed security app. If you have one, you'll need to remove it before this works. But should this not work, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Copilot. And here, tap on it and see if you have any update. Update your app to the latest version. However, sometimes even after updating, this error might still persist. If that's the case, then it means your app might have been infested with bugs. For that, you'll need to uninstall Microsoft Copilot app and install it afresh. So let me know which of these was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.